At BPC, we've been manufacturing high-quality construction connectors for over 45 years.
We are committed to the continuous development of our products, our people and our processes.
Our products and UK facilities are certified to the very highest levels, so you could be confident you're choosing the very best for your building project.
If you're looking for unrivaled service from a UK manufacturer, then go to bpcfixings.com and get in touch. Deal with the team you can trust.
No, you don't want to poke a face like that.